did this one. Yeah, baby, you did this.
Robbed a nigga and took all his jewelry, he told the police. Bitch, that's just an Instagram page, you don't really know me. I just scammed 20 PS4s from Sony. Niggas fucked up in the crib eating coney.
I just knocked my granny off, she had to call Brody. Drop a nigga 8 times, put 24 off on the car Kobe. Our Arab selling cars, they made 100, but they was all stolen. My dog could take your car to punch, just sign a load of ball trophies.
I just bought a new Prezi, that's a gold trophy. Stop telling hoes that you know me, you is not my home. This bitch just said come over cause she lonely. My dog will come kill you for a meal cause he hungry.
Told that bitch I don't wanna fuck cause you ugly. Slapped a white nigga cause he called me a monkey. Me and Bandamont selling Bibles to the junkies. I can't go a day without getting high, I'm a junkie.
I dropped out of school in 5th grade, I was a big fucky. Bitch put up on me, she gave me 40, I told the bitch suck me. Ha, I guess it went backwards, I made a cool 30, I was telling the Bible, I'm in a big chapter.
For them hoes, lips crusty, I don't know who's chat. Everybody be lying nowadays, I don't know who a cap. Yeah, we both pulled up, wop, but my cup is black. Yeah, your bitch got a fat ass, but my bitch is fatter.
I got a perk 10 in my system, I'm so high. If a little nigga run up on me, he go die. How much money have I made off scams? It been a lot. Shoot a nigga with an AK like I'm Bandamont.
My dukes ask why I keep a MacBook, cause I scam a lot. Yeah, you say you got a Glock 30, but it jam a lot. I just popped the perk 30, nah, itch a lot. I shoot that bitch precise like Stir Curry, it's a different shot.
He tried to hit my bitch DM, but he missed his shot. I just caught a op out in public, but I missed my shot. I just wasted 4 high tech, cause I missed the pop. Cause I'm trying to pull up again, and I'm already hot.
I don't know if I should smoke the runts or the turtle pop. That nigga be capping, all he do is tell fairy tale. That ain't real Larry, cause I know how real Larry smell. I heard you got locked for 500 and couldn't pay the bill.
My granny asked me how I'm living, I said very well. My dog put up with 6 pints, I checked their seal. You can't tax 100 for that 8.5 bale Larry wheel. My doggy dropped the cat and did the race and broke air wheel. Back in 015, I ran up 20 selling certain pills. Selling certain pills, do fraud cause that's just certain still.